In this video, I will be showing you how to find similar elements and collections in Canva to keep your designs consistent. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen, where I'll scroll through the template options and select the logo category. Next, I'll click on Create a Blank Logo to open up a new design space. Once the editor loads, I'll click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar and type Summer into the search bar. I'll click See All next to Graphics to browse through the results. When I find a graphic I like, I'll click the three dots on the element and select See More Like This. This opens the magic recommendations, giving me a variety of elements in the exact same style. I'll click a couple of these to add them to my canvas, then I'll resize and move them around to start my layout. To find even more matching items, I'll click the three dots on another icon and select View Collection. This pulls up a set of themed graphics that all look great together. I'll add an inner tube, a shell, and some starfish from this collection to my design. To finish things off, I'll grab a crab icon from the recommendations, place it at the bottom, and resize it to fit perfectly. That is how you use Canva's hidden features to find perfectly matching elements every time.